debate over legal recognition of same-sex marriages continues after the central government opposed the legislation on same-sex marriages. Citing Indian culture, the apex court has sent the case to a 5-judge constitutional bench, and the case has been scheduled for hearing on the 18th of April. Union Law Minister Kiren Rijiju has defended his government's stand, asserting that issues related to institution of marriage are a matter of policy. He said personal freedom or personal activities of citizens will never be questioned. The RSS has waded into this discussion, claiming that only marriages of opposite genders is allowed and that it backs the centre's stand. Remember, the centre has opposed 19 petitions regarding same-sex marriages, stating that marriage has to be between a biological man and a biological woman. Not just that, the government also has told the court, in fact, that same-sex marriages are against the Indian family concept of marriages.
Government is not interfering into the personal life, personal activities of anybody. So there should be no confusion or there should be no dilution on this matter. When it comes to an issue related to the institution of marriage, then it is a matter of policy. Personal freedom and personal activities of individuals, of the citizens, are never been questioned, disturbed or regulated by government.
So this is the government's position as spelled out by Union Law Minister. Also interestingly and expected rather, the RSS also waded into this controversy, saying that they support this position of the government. The government won't interfere in personal choices in terms of relationships, but also as far as marriage as a legal institution of marriage is concerned, this is not what the government is in favor of. Rahul Gautam, my colleague, is getting us more details. Rahul, from decriminalization of homosexuality in the year 2009 to now, we've come a long way, but this again is a battle that is to be won by this community, isn't it? The matter is going to be heard in the month of April again.
Absolutely. Sneha, the Supreme Court has already, referred all the pleas to a 5-judge, constitutional bench, and in fact, the central government has already stated their view via Tushar Mehta. They filed an affidavit saying that unlike Mohammedan law, Hindu marriage, in Hindu marriages, the institution is very sacred, and therefore they are not of this view that that same-sex marriages should happen. In fact, they also said that although they have decriminalized, homosexuality, it does not mean that they're going to support something which they deemed not fit as per the Indian society. This stance was also backed by RSS, who said that we should not accept such things in our society, given the fact that this is something which is certainly going to destroy the very sanctity of marriage institution, and therefore there should be larger consensus over this issue. And before that, we should not hurry and go ahead with such decisions. So you can expect that this certainly going to be a nationwide debate over this issue before any conclusion could be reached. But Supreme Court has agreed to hear this petition, and you can expect that the central government would continue to oppose this view that same-sex marriages should happen. Obviously, there would be counter views, but at this point of time, the central government has stated that they are opposing or they are not subscribing this view that same-sex marriages should be happening.
Okay.